Looking to capture stunning aerial shots without overspending? Finding the best drone for the money means getting the perfect balance of performance, features, and affordability. Whether for travel, photography, or fun, the right choice can upgrade your flying experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Neo Drone. The DJI Neo Drone is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact yet powerful aerial camera companion. Weighing just 135 grams, it is lighter than most smartphones, which makes it regulation-friendly since it does not require FAA registration or remote ID. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or backpack, perfect for travelers, hikers, or casual family outings. The palm takeoff and landing feature means you can launch and land the drone right from your hand, making it highly convenient for beginners and casual users. Equipped with DJI's renowned stabilization technology and level 4 wind resistance, the Neo captures smooth, ultra-clear 4K footage even in breezy outdoor conditions. Another thoughtful addition is the full coverage propeller guards, which provide safety when flying indoors or around obstacles, ensuring peace of mind for new pilots. This makes it ideal for both adventurous outdoor shoots and safe indoor practice. Despite its compact size, the Neo does not compromise on performance. It comes ready with a battery, propeller guards, and essential accessories, ensuring that you can start flying right away. Overall, the DJI Neo Drone is perfect for users who want a balance of portability, ease of use, and high-quality stabilized 4K footage without the hassle of registration. Number 2. Potensic Drone. The Potensic BTM2 is a highly versatile drone designed for enthusiasts who want premium features in a compact and lightweight package. At under 249 grams, this drone requires no FAA registration, making it travel-friendly and stress-free for recreational flyers. Equipped with a 1/2 Sony CMOS sensor, it captures 48-megapixel photos and records 4K HDR videos at 30 FPS with impressive stability thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. The f1.8 aperture and 4-in-1 pixel technology ensures that low-light shots come out crisp, vibrant, and full of detail. Its standout feature is the newly upgraded remote, which boasts PIC-Sync 4.0 transmission technology for a stable control range of up to 10 kilometers, along with real-time 1080p live view transmission. This makes it an excellent option for long-distance exploration and cinematic shooting. Intelligent AI tracking modes such as Spotlight, Follow, and Parallel enable users to capture smooth, professional-grade tracking shots, while the AI-powered night mode ensures clear footage even in challenging lighting. Battery life is another strong point, as the Fly More combo includes 3 batteries with a quick charging hub, giving you up to 96 minutes of flight time with just 1.3 hours of charging. The Smart Transfer feature further makes it easy to transfer files at speeds of up to 25 megabits per second, ideal for quick social media sharing. Number 3. Ruko Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone is designed for those who want to capture memorable family moments and outdoor adventures with cinematic quality. Boasting 6K photo resolution and smooth 4K/30 FPS video, it ensures that every frame is rich in detail and color. The advanced image sensor lens enhances textures and delivers stunning clarity, making even ordinary moments look extraordinary. Its 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures stability and smooth footage, even in windy conditions, giving you professional-grade shots with minimal effort. A standout feature is the extended flight time, as it includes 2 batteries, each offering 35 minutes, for a total of 70 minutes of aerial exploration. These modes allow you to film cinematic shots without needing advanced piloting skills. The F11 Pro 2 also features a night mode with frame retention technology, enabling crisp, vibrant visuals even during evening flights. Whether you're documenting a backyard barbecue, a scenic trip, or capturing your child's first bike ride, this drone transforms everyday experiences into professional quality keepsakes. Its robust design and strong wind resistance make it reliable for a wide range of environments, while the intelligent return-to-home feature ensures safety during low battery or signal loss.
Overall, the Ruko F11 Pro 2 strikes an excellent balance between user-friendliness and high-end performance. With its long flight time, 6K stills, stable 4K video, and intelligent features, it is ideal for hobbyists and families who want a dependable drone that captures lasting memories with cinematic flair. Number 4. Veeniix Drone. The Veeniix V11 Air drone is a professional-grade aerial camera designed for users who want advanced features in a stylish, visually distinctive package. Its blue and orange propeller color scheme not only makes it easy to spot in the sky, but also adds a unique touch to your flights. Equipped with an upgraded 6K camera, it delivers ultra-clear images and 4K/30 FPS video, making it a strong choice for aerial photography and videography. The imported sensor and advanced high-resolution technology ensures breathtaking visuals that rival more expensive drones. A 3-axis brushless gimbal provides smooth, stable footage, even in windy or high-speed conditions, while the 5x lossless zoom allows you to capture fine details of distant subjects without losing quality. One of its standout strengths is the impressive 70-minute total flight time provided by dual batteries, each lasting 35 minutes. The batteries also support fast charging, fully recharging in just 2.5 hours. With a 10,000-foot transmission range, the V11 Air ensures clear, uninterrupted video and photo quality even over long distances, making it excellent for exploration and wide-angle filming. Safety is also prioritized with its auto-return feature, which brings the drone back in cases of low battery, lost signal, or out-of-range conditions. For night flights, the specialized night mode allows for sharp details and vibrant colors even in low-light scenarios, expanding your creative possibilities.
Number 5. DJI Mini 4K Drone. The DJI Mini 4K drone is one of the most user-friendly yet powerful drones in its category, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID for recreational use, which makes it ideal for hassle-free flying. Whether capturing golden hour landscapes, family events, or cityscapes at night, its stabilization ensures professional results. This drone also excels in performance, with a wind resistance rating of up to level 5, making it capable of flying steadily even in breezy conditions and at altitudes up to 4,000 meters. With flexible battery options, you can choose from a single battery offering 31 minutes of flight, 2 batteries for 62 minutes, or 3 batteries for an impressive 93 minutes of continuous flying. Safety and beginner friendliness are top priorities, as it supports one-tap takeoff/landing, GPS return to home, and stable hovering. Additionally, the DJ Fly app provides learning resources to help new pilots master controls quickly. For creators, quick shots like helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang make capturing cinematic shots simple with just a few taps, opening creative opportunities without requiring advanced piloting. With its lightweight portability, strong flight stability, and extended battery options, the DJI Mini 4K is a fantastic option for travel, casual flying, or content creation. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.